Hi everyone, thanks for coming back to visit me. Today I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to use this whiteboard, which is 15 by 24. Yes, it's a bit of a weird size, but I like these whiteboards because they're much lighter than MDF and I'm planning on resining afterwards. I am going to use this muffin cup for cups and do a dirty pour in it and flip it over. I have so many colors that I need to use up and mix some new paints. So I'm going to select a few from this and just go with the flow, as they say, or go with the fluid acrylics. I've selected a few colours here. I have bright green, orange, I think that's burnt umber, silver, some Prussian blue, and turquoise, and a peachy colour. And sorry that my board is slightly off frame, but it will be back in frame in a jiffy. So without further ado, I am going to mask the back of the board. I'm going to mask it because as I plan to resin after the paint is dry, I don't want those nasty resin drips on the back. So let's get this part over with and then I will do the dirty pour. Alright, let's move that out of the way. My paints are poured. And how am I going to do this? Oh my goodness. Okay, this board is fairly big. I think I'm going to use my right hand as my left hand because of my broken wrist is still quite weak. And let's see if I don't make a big fat mess. 1, 2, 3. Go! Bingo! I did it! Woohoo! Now I need to get this wretched board in the frame so you can see what I'm doing. That's much better. Now I have the whole board in the frame. I am going to put some white acrylic paint that's mixed with Floetrol and water. Give it a shake. Always shake Floetrol because sometimes it can do weird things. And I'm doing this because when the flip cup touches the white paint, it will help the flip cup paint, the dirty pour, spread better. I'm going to just put it all over and I may add more. What I actually want to do with this is I'm doing several things with this experiment. First of all, I'm going to just spread out this white paint and make sure all the corners are covered. The corners tend to be the sticky spots for acrylic pours, this fluid acrylic painting. So there we go. Don't need to be too neat and tidy because I have something else in mind that I will share with you. All right, let's do this. Whoa. Well, that is pretty green. I'm really not surprised. I did use a lot of green. So I'm just going to leave it for a little bit. Let's see if anything pops up on its own. Yeah, there's some nice things happening. I really like this bit here. Love that. So I'm going to tilt a little bit. I'm going to move it slowly. I'm planning on doing a swipe at the end to see how all these colours react. So at this point, I'm not really too worried about the cells.
I absolutely loved this about 30 seconds ago, but I do want to do a swipe with these colours. So, and also I don't like that kind of ugly dark spot at the bottom. I want that to go off. So just going to tilt that to get rid of some of the dark. I don't want it all to go off. There we go. And now I have colour at the bottom and some white at the top, some negative space, and I can do my swipe. I'm going to use kitchen towel, and for my swipe colour I am going to use white, which will hopefully complement the white at the top. So just lay my kitchen towel down and drag up. And now I need another clean piece of kitchen towel. Don't use the same piece, otherwise it will be very fugly. And drag this up, and tons of cells are appearing. This looks very cool. I'm liking this a lot. These colours are so pretty together. It's kind of very like a turtle colours. I think I even prefer these colours as a swipe rather than a dirty pour. Really, really pretty. So I will probably put this on my Etsy store, and link to that is below this video, along with my own website. I need to do a little bit of touch up at the bottom. Trying to tilt the paint down. There are some gaps from where I swiped with the towel and pulled the paint up, but nothing too much. I'll just take a stick and dab some paint on to fill those areas. The beauty about a swipe is it's kind of hard to get it wrong if you get the colours right, in the right order. And as you swipe, more cells just keep appearing. And I will go over it one more time with my torch, because where I've touched up the paint, I know there's colours underneath that just want to pop through. So
There we go. That is looking so good. I love these colors. They're like summer and autumn together. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. So I think what I'll do now, I'm going to finish this and I'm going to bring you down for a closer look. Let's look at the cells and see what the developments are. Now we can take a look. Oh my gosh, it's like some kind of leopard crossed with a turtle. That's a freaky thought, but look how beautiful those cells are. Absolutely gorgeous. The colours, I love this colour combination. Gorgeous. And the dark blue really gives depth, almost two-dimensional. So pretty. And somewhere there is a peeping Tom. There's the little eye staring. There's always a little eye. Thank you so much for visiting my YouTube channel, and I will see you when I post another one. I hope you all enjoyed this. Have a great day or evening.